Hey people, thought I'd just do a quick video this morning as we've passed the original deadline day for completing the house, which was the 17th of February. We knew we wouldn't meet the deadline day because the roof, as you know from previous videos, 4 or 5 days late, and then we had 2 days of rain. So I've been talking to the builder about a week ago. He expected to be done a week late, which is around Monday the 24th. I doubt that will also happen. Things are a bit slow, like any builders, even in the UK. You know, it seems the Thai builders are just the same. They take on projects whilst one project is still in motion, so they can keep working basically. So yeah, it's been a bit of a slow process, a frustrating process over the last 10 days. There has been some progress, and you know, we'll cover some of them points in the next few minutes. But basically now we're at the stage where they're getting ready to put the concrete around the house. The new pipe work for the plumbing is in place, because that pipe is going to be under the concrete to make it look a bit tidier. The drains and the toilet waste tanks are in place, and that should be done tomorrow. So it's going to look a lot tidier around the house all for tomorrow. Yeah, there's work done inside, but I'll not cover the inside on this video. I'm going to wait maybe a few more days to see if it's something exciting to look at. Though there has been some work done inside, so I'm hoping that'll be completed, you know, in the next 6-7 days. A lot of waste on the land, mainly from the old house, and a lot of the work, a lot of piping, trunking, and the electrics, old ceilings from around the house. Yeah, basically crap everywhere. We've sold some bits and we've given some bits away from the old house to the family, windows and bits of steel, but there's still a lot to, you know, get rid of. So we'll just have a look at the house now from the back side, and we'll just turn the camera around actually, because we can get a better view. So this is now the view from the left hand side. As you can see, the roof, yeah, it's almost done, but somehow the builders managed to calculate wrong, and we're short of about 28 pieces, mainly the ridges, and somehow they actually overbought around 300 roof tiles, which they've bought back, which is a good thing, because otherwise I would have had to keep them for next year, for next year's second part of this project. I could have kept some, but you're talking about 500 quid worth of tiles, and potentially even when we do the new tiles, or the new tiles for the new build next year or year after, potentially the colour wouldn't be the same. So I took the decision to let the builders buy them back, and you know, I'm sure they'll sell them and make money. So there's the roof, people, house, and as you can see on that left hand side there, where yeah, they didn't buy enough stock. Really frustrating, really angry, because we have to wait now another 2 weeks to get those tiles in this grey colour that we wanted. Not the best news, because you know, we had a little bit of rain yesterday, and it was a little bit, and the next 9-10 days are forecast dry, which is good. Hopefully it won't hold the builders back too much, but my guess is it will. And so even though I was saying earlier that this project we finish in about a week, it won't be, because the bits to finish off the roof are going to be 2 weeks. So to get this house fully finished, it's going to be 2 weeks. But there's progress, and like I said, a lot of work being done on the inside. And that's it for now. So I'll be back, yeah, maybe 4 or 5 days, when hopefully things have progressed a little bit more, with the exception of the roof. But construction wise, you know, we're well on the way. So yeah, that's it for now, people.